In this video, I would like to talk with you about Turo. Now, Turo is a platform that you can use in order to rent out your own car. So, for instance, right here, when you go to Turo.com, you can see that it already says work for you. Let your car work for you. Listing your car is simple and usually takes about 10 minutes. So click right here on list your car. And then afterwards, it will take you to the sign-up form of this platform. So basically what we are doing right now is we are connecting our Facebook account with Turo, and then afterwards, we can rent out our car with this platform to other people. Now, why is this so interesting? Well, because we can rent out the car in hours that we don't need the car at. So right now, basically, yes, they can send me deals and so on and discounts. That is fine. But basically what you can do with Turo is the following. You can rent out your car in hours where you don't need it. And the great thing about it is you can also get it back at any given time. Of course, you do a deal with the people that are renting your car, but as soon as the deal's over, they bring back your car and then you can use it again. So it says right here, ready, set, list. This will take about 10 minutes and you will need a license plate number and photos of your car. And then you just click on start and get started listing your car. And then on this marketplace of Turo, people can look for your car. They can then, of course, well, first of all, they look for a location. They're, let's say, in Berlin and they're looking for a car. And then they can look up your car and basically message you, and then they pay you directly on Turo. And what you then can do is you can say, all right, you can rent this car, let's say for the next 2 days, or you can rent it every single day this week from 12 o'clock on, because at that time I don't need it anymore. And for every single hour that they're using the car, you are earning money. And I think this is absolutely incredible and a great way for you to earn passive income, because let's be real, sometimes we just simply don't need our car. And other people perhaps might need the car at times where we don't need it, let's say even in the evening or at night or very early in the morning, and perhaps in order to get to work or to get to a certain place. And you can rent out your car for a little bit of money and earn, let's say, a couple $100 more every single month just by using your car in hours that you don't necessarily use it. So all right, that was it now here for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see each other in the next one.